Hey everyone, want to reset ueli back to its default settings? Resetting ueli can help fix problems caused by incorrect configurations, extension issues, or corrupted settings. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset ueli on Windows step by step. So let's get started. First, completely close ueli before making any changes. Right-click the ueli icon in the Windows system tray and select Exit. If the application doesn't close, open Task Manager, select ueli and click End Task. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to ueli's configuration folder. This folder stores your settings, shortcuts, extension preferences, and other configuration files. Before resetting anything, consider creating a backup of your configuration folder. This allows you to restore your settings later if you change your mind. Now delete or rename the main configuration file or the entire configuration folder. When ueli starts again, it automatically creates a fresh configuration using the default settings. Launch ueli normally. Because the previous configuration is no longer available, the application creates a brand new configuration with its default options. Finally, customize ueli again by changing your preferred keyboard shortcut, enabling the extensions you use, setting startup behavior, and recreating any custom commands if necessary. And that's how to reset ueli on Windows. Resetting the configuration is one of the most effective ways to fix persistent problems and restore the launcher to a clean, default state. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.